Today, I'm going to be running the 2S in it because, you know, I only have the BL2S and we don't have the 3S system. So, ta-da! It's a beautiful day. Oh, there's just something about the Slash. So much fun. It's fast. Blech. Ah, it splattered me right in the face. Blech. Ah, all over. That's fine. Casualty. Slide like a glove. Man, this thing absolutely rips. Now, I did the diff service on this one too. Oh, it is handling good. Very good. Now, I don't have a gyro on this. This is all just me handling it. I'm a good driver, what could I say? Oh, that was a good one. Man, sometimes I like the Slash more than I do the Stampede. Gotta love it. Oh, whoa, 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 yep. Ah. Oh, looks like we picked up a stick. I don't need that in here. Oh, it's like stuck. Come on. There we go. Still working. Oh, those bearings. They're a little bit shot. It's all right. The fact that you can do donuts on the grass. Oh, so good. Do not want to take in that puddle. The Stampede was struggling with it. Let's just gingerly go around. Man, there's just a special place in my heart for the Slash. Like, I'm personally a monster truck lover. I love the monster trucks. But look at that. Absolute monster. Oh, well, where did it go? Here we go. Challenge. We have a little hill right here. Jump across. Can the Slash handle it? Well, if I knew how to drive. Oh, she got slapped by the snow. No, body. All right. Oh, interesting. We are stuck. Pointed one direction for some reason. What the crap is going on here? We're jammed. It's stuck in one direction here. What the crap is going on? Oh, there's a rock. Brother, what? Okay. Are you good? Oh yeah, we're good. The Slash is taking an absolute beating. Cue music.
So here I am at the lake. And sometimes you just got to take in the beautiful scenery, stop and smell the lake, if you will. Absolutely gorgeous out here.
On the next episode, look what we have here. I have found myself a skate park. Subscribe for more. Here we are, guys. Next location, the Slash, baby. Let's grab it. Yep. We are at, what is this, basketball court? We got some hills over there. We got a little bit of parking lot action. We're gonna make it happen. Now the Slash is a little bit mucked up. It's a little bit heavy, but I think we can send it. Let's get it. Putting the old Slash here through the ringer. Ooh. Sounds sandy in the bearings. I think I'm gonna have to replace the steering servo because when I turn it left a little bit, it kind of paces left now. But it's all right. Woo! So we got these big hills over here. I don't think we're gonna be able to get any air off of them. No, not quite fast enough. Oh, a little slalom action. Hey, little ramp action. Oh. Flippage. Man, this thing is so loud when it crashes. That hollow body, man. I don't know what that sound is. I don't know if you guys hear that. It's like a whining. Very groany. It might be the bearings. Eh. Run it till she breaks, right? That's the best way to do it. Oh, we got some rough terrain over here. Oh, little flippage, it's fine. Oh, that's nice. Oh, we could see the suspension working. Oh, come on. Flippage. Man, just running it through loose dirt. Oh, it's like a little short course. Oh, this is excellent. Oh, she just needs a little bit more power. Oh, no, no. Yes, wheels. Be even better if there's like a dirt hill over here that magically appeared. That'd be sweet. Seems like everywhere I've been going today, there's like a little dirt hill for me to ramp. I think we got caught up here. Oh my. Got a whole stick caught in there. Well, she's still running good. A little bit caught up with mud and gunk. Nothing we can't fix. There we go. She's alive. Send it. Almost got hit in the face with an acorn. Whoa, 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 yeah. I think the mud is slowing it down a little bit here. She's getting a little gummed up. She's starting to get slower. Oh man, I've just been absolutely beaten on this thing. But it's so nice out. So beautiful. Oh, and the battery finally flat. Oh, I have beaten this thing to death. Let's take a look. Well, she's a bit caked. That would explain why it's going a bit slower. I cannot believe the abuse that this thing can take. Slashes are so durable. Well, guys, we beat her down. I gotta take her back home, clean her up, get her ready for next time. But if you guys enjoyed the video, you know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe to see some more. Oh, look, there's an acorn in here. And I'll see you guys on the next one. And don't forget to stay tuned.